Welcome to J&J's test video of 9655. Morning, Luigi. This is a 2004 SSR. Took a ride. Man, little action there. Missing the door. It's in the bed of the truck with the drive shaft. Around the back isn't that bad. Quarter wheels, one running board, a door. The main reason you get them is this. 5.3 LM7 with a 4L65 behind it. It has, I can't remember off the top of my head. I'll put it in the title. The mileage, I might get it if I cycle it. Driver 1. There it is, 140,938. She runs. We have it on a ECU that's been the bats have been taken off of it, blah blah blah. But we're just going to let it run, show you it runs. I'm not going to try to engage the transmission. The top won't work. The doors are stuck. So that's about it. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.